Hey everyone! So I have an 18 by 20 canvas and we're going to do just a waterfall pour. I may travel a little bit, I'm not sure yet. I'll wait and see what it looks like as it's coming out of the cup. But I've already sprayed my cup with the WD-40 silicone spray. And I like using just a regular soft drink cup from our local restaurant. We wash them out to reuse them. So I have Folk Art Black Flash, Lucas Sand, Premier Deep Turquoise, Craftsmart Metallic Blue, Deco Art Teal Metallic, White with Silicone, and Craftsmart CMS Pearl. So I think I'm going to go in the order that I have them, and I want to try to do 2 layers. So I'm just going to tip my cup sideways to add color, and I'm going to just move this here to keep it out of my way while I fill. So if this is your first time watching, click that subscribe button below and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. We just don't do an average pour on this channel. We like to teach a little bit while we're doing it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below, or you can send me an email, or you can come to our Facebook page and ask for help there. There's just so many avenues for us to help you. So I can keep going because I have lots of room, and the canvas is a little bigger than normal, so we can use a little extra paint. I'm going to go one more. And we can always add a little white around the edges if we need to get it to move. Slide those aside, and I'm going to grab my white with no silicone in it just in case I need it. So what I want to do now, because all my paint is on this one side, is pinch my cup there, and that'll help me keep my little pouring spout. Okay, so let's give it a go. All right, I just want to move it a little bit to see if I'm going to need any more paint. I think we might be okay, but it's here if we need it. I want to get rid of the puddle at the top and bring it back down to the middle. We're going to start stretching our sides out, but not taking it over the edge yet. I'm going to head down to this corner here. Alan is preparing to come out and do a video for his channel, so he's not bothering me right now. I kind of like that swoop in there, so I'm going to try to save some of that. Because that is black flash, and when it dries it'll be darker. I'm going to go ahead and just let this come right off. That's pretty cool. A nice thing with these two, if you don't like them when they're dry, Nate has showed us all that we can embellish them, right? So, we may just be doing that. We never know. I can never tell until it's dry what's going to go on with it. Let's see if I can just bring it down just a little bit more. Because I'm actually thinking that looks like a tree branch almost. Let me wipe my hands and let's give it a torch. Lots of cells. Now, if you don't want cells, you have to watch how you layer in the cup as well as not using silicone, because certain colors overlapping will create cells. That black flash is just giving me tons of little baby cells. But I really like this coming down. Maybe I should turn it around so you can actually see what I'm seeing. See a spot I missed. I still haven't hung the mirror up like I was going to. There we go. That's kind of cool. And it looks brown right now, but it's going to be black when it dries, with a touch of gold. So yeah, I'm going to leave it. I think it'll be cool when it dries. I can always add something to it here. The possibilities are endless. So I've learned from Nate. Thank you so much for watching. Check out all those links below. Make sure you're subscribed. Shop with us on Amazon and Etsy and Redbubble. We have a channel sponsorship giveaway every quarter. If you donate to the channel, you'll be entered in that. There's just so much below. Make sure you check it all out, and we will see you all on the next one. Bye now.